What do you think when you hear evolution? Pokemon? Charles Darwin? That one picture of the weird chimp turning into a dude? Well, yes, but no. Evolution is actually 4 mechanics: natural selection, gene flow, genetic drift, and mutation. And they all fight like a family on Easter, or Thanksgiving, or Christmas, or my birthday, or my brother's birthday, or my other brother's birthday, or my sister's birthday. Let's all pretend you didn't fall asleep in biology class and talk about natural selection. But what is it? I hear you asking. Well, let's say we have a group of birds from different islands, and each island have different foods. Because of the different type of foods on each island, each bird has different types of beaks, depending on where they're from. That is exactly what Charles Darwin did. This guy came up with a theory that only traits that are strong for an environment gets passed down through generations, and that's natural selection. Let's start from the top and go back to the islands. Now let's say these birds from different islands are actually different types of birds. And one bird flies outside of his island and goes to another to mate with another bird and has a kid with her. And now you have genetic flow. The offspring of these two birds have mixed traits from both of his parents. Now the daddy bird has commitment issues and wants to leave, but the mommy bird tries to sue him for child support, and now his life spirals out of control. Anyways, that is genetic flow, where two types of the same species mix together to trade traits. It's like mixing milk with espresso to make a latte. They're all different drinks, but the latte is just much better because it has the best of both worlds. Number 3. What if on an island of brown birds there are 5 white ones? Now what if a natural disaster like, I don't know, a tsunami hits the island, then a lightning storm hits the island? Remember that family in the beginning? Throw them in there. And what if all the brown birds get wiped out? Now that, my friends, is genetic drift. Now the island is an island of white birds. These birds mate and produce white offspring. And the majority of birds on that island is now white, not brown. And now you may be asking, is this an allegory for racism? The last mechanism is mutation, and this is an easy one. Back to the birds. One of them has a shorter wing. Why? Because this is my video and I made it that way. This short-winged bird then mates with another bird and passes its short wing to its baby, and that baby passes its wing to another baby, and that baby passes its wing to a KFC where I get it in my order and become totally displeased about my food, and now I'm hungry, tired, making this video, and annoyed that I have to be here during Thanksgiving dinner when I could be creating tsunamis and wiping out entire nations of birds. The end.